So from this point we are going to start. Then after it is given for you to understand properly. Next paragraph I am going to read properly, listen carefully. The major crops are grown in Ganga basin are wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane, and the Ganga basin is called food bowl of India because it is fertile soil is ideal for growing food crops. So listen to me, the Gangetic plains, the Indus-Gangetic plains is very fertile land where you can crop different type of cultivation. Different type of cultivation we can able to crop in that land. That's why this land is called the food bowl of India. Do you know bowl means what? Where you are cooking rice. The bowl. So this place is called the food bowl of India. So keep in your mind properly and understand it properly. Okay. Why it is called food bowl of India? Because the land is so fertile. The land soil is so very fertile that you can grow any type of cultivation, any type of crops. It will grow there. That's why the Ganga plain, the Ganga basin is known as food bowl of India. So next point is the Ganga basin is the most populated part of India and is a home to more than 500 million people, making it the most populated river basin in the world. So here approximately 500 million people are living in the village or in the places, which is the most populated river basin in all over the world. Like that river basin never seen in other places except in India. That's why this landform, this basin is known as the well populated river basin all over the world. That is Ganga basin. Now we are going to discuss this part. That is Brahmaputra basin. So what is the Brahmaputra basin? What happened here? What are peoples and what are crops are going here? The river of Brahmaputra starts from Tibet and is known as the river of Sangpo. River of Sangpo. Its flow parallel to the Himalaya in Tibet and enter into the India. Through Arunachal Pradesh. So see, this is a Himalaya range. It comes parallelly and enter into the India through the Himachal Pradesh. It entered into through the Himachal Pradesh. You have to keep in mind the Brahmaputra river started from Tibet and entered through this state of India. So what do you say? Himachal Pradesh state of India. You have to keep in mind. So next things. It flows through the valley Assam and turns south to enter Bangladesh, where it meets river Padma, a distributed river of Ganga. Then after it is same process enter into the Bangladesh. The river also Arunachal Pradesh, then after Assam, then after Bangladesh. So when it Bangladesh, it entered and it joined with Ganga river. So at the time we call that is river Padma. Bangladesh to the Ganga river, what do you call? River Padma. Are you getting my point? Sangpo in Tibet. In India, Brahmaputra. Then after we are going to discuss the okay. So the Brahmaputra and Ganga river form the delta in the world. Oh my, largest delta this is here. This is the main delta created by Ganga river and Brahmaputra river, which is the largest delta in the world. It is called Sundaraban Delta. It is called Sundaraban. So in the Bangladesh has situated Sundaraban Delta, which is made by Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. So keep in your mind, repeatedly I am speaking. Or the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. means it has two names, Sundarban Delta, otherwise the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. Two delta means two name for a delta. It is also one of the most fertile regions in the country, thus earning the nickname the Green Delta. The major crops grown here are rice, jute, maize, pulses, oilseeds and wheat. See, here also different type of crops are grown in that area. Why? Because this places soil also very fertile in all of the world. That's why it's called the largest delta in the world. That is Ganga Brahmaputra Delta or Sundaraban Delta. So the names underline it. Now we are going to discuss the western side, that is this side. This side part. Western side part, which is created by the Indus River. The river Indus and its 5 tributaries such as Jhelum, Chambal, Ravi, Bias and Satluj from the west of the fertile tracts of the western part of the northern plain of India. All this tributary and the Indus itself originated in the Trans-Himalaya regions and are mighty rivers. The Satluj River and the Bias contribute to the Indus share of the Indus Basin. The state of Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh lie in the part of agriculture is the main occupation in these regions. Since the amount of rainfall is the less here, number of irrigation canal and dug out from the rivers. The Bakranangal Dam built across the river Satluj is famous for hydroelectricity production and irrigation. The major crops are grown around the basins are wheat, pulses and barley, maize, rice and sugarcane. Some are the important cities of the regions are Chandigarh, next Jalandhar, next Patiala, next Ludhiana, Ambala and Amritsar. So here also different, though due to the Indus River, its river Satluj, Ravi, Bias and Jhelum. So like that, different 5 rivers are flowing, the tributaries which make the Indus River. Among them, so what? Punjab, Haryana, this all are belongs to the basin. Which basin? Indus Basin. So in this land form of the the soil also is very fertile. They also growing different type of crops and they also very famous cities are present, that is Chhattisgarh, Jalandhar, Paitala, Ludhiana, Amritsar. So these are very famous places of the India. So in this way there are a number of northern plains. Total northern plain we have discussed. In the northern plains 3 basins are present. First one is Ganga Basin, then after Brahmaputra Basin, then after Indus Basin. So 3 basins are combined one by one we have already properly today discussed. So after this, if you have any doubt, definitely you may ask to me, that I try my level best to understand properly. Okay, so this lesson I have already completed. So read the lessons and properly understand, then after write its bits or question answer each and everything. Complete this. And I think everybody have the books, so don't be late. And whenever the lessons will complete, so try to read the question answer and try to complete its blanks, some short type of questions, so it will be better for you in future. Okay, so till then keep watching and keep a smile. Don't go outside, stay at your home, be safe with your family. Okay, thank you, bye bye.